Hi, all beautiful people. Welcoming you to a healthy episode of Healthy Lifestyle Commune. Okay, today we can deal about the topic calcium deficiency. Why calcium deficiency is very relevant nowadays? It is cool monsoon climate, but I am sure many of them will be feeling cramping pain in your legs, and you will be waking up at night with pain. Okay, and one main problem is that you will be feeling a lot of hair loss, and you will be feeling that your nails are brittle. You are not at all feeling energetic. You will be feeling very depressed, and you will be thinking, my hemoglobin level is 13. Still, why I am suffering from these problems? Yes, there comes the importance of calcium deficiency. If you are having calcium deficiency, if your vitamin D3 is also not sufficient, then what happens? You will be suffering from calcium deficiency symptoms. Okay, so we know when we are pregnant, we need a more amount of calcium. And as everyone know, calcium is present in milk and milk products. Okay, but what happens if you are not tolerant to milk? If you are having lactose intolerance, there also we will be having beautiful solutions. Okay, so why is calcium so important? Calcium is very essential for the strength of the bone, hair, and the nail. Not only that, it is also very essential for the heart contraction and relaxation. That is for the heart muscles to control our BP. Okay, so we must not take calcium medicines without the prescription of a doctor. What happens? It will interfere with our blood pressure. Okay, so we must be very much conscious. That is, we are getting enough calcium from our food. Old age persons, we know when we are going to menopausal age, what happens? We are very fond of tea and coffee. Always everyone used to ask, Doctor, are you against tea and coffee? Yes, I am against tea and coffee. If you are keeping on taking tea and coffee after an age, it is absorbing the calcium from our body. What happened in menopause age? In the menopause age, actually, our calcium supply is diminished. Okay. So again, if we are keeping on taking this tea and coffee, what happened? Again, we will be feeling osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, and also if we fell down anywhere, our bone will take more time to recover also. So we must stop tea and coffee. Not only that, alcoholic products. If anyone is taking tobacco too much, especially in the case of gents, and if our kids are taking more junk food, especially soft drinks, Coca-Cola, Pepsi like items and all, okay, that is also decreasing the calcium in our bones. So you have to be careful. Okay. So we need 1000 to 1300 mg of calcium. An adult need. How about a teenager? 1300 to 1400 mg of calcium they need in their body. So we have to take actually the calcium rich food. Among the calcium rich food, I prefer more ghee, that to A2 ghee. Actually, A2 ghee is very, very beneficial. One day I will do a video about that. Okay. And A2 ghee, it is very good. Then milk, buttermilk, and all. Okay. Then for the vegans means they may not be taking actually milk and milk products. Okay. And also in the case of lactose intolerance, I have a good few solutions for you. Okay. But make sure what all that is your body, your gut is correctly absorbing everything. If your gut is not correctly absorbing everything, how do you know? When you pass the stools, your food items will be present there. Many of my patients used to come and tell me, ma'am, if I take carrot, spinach, or any green leafy vegetable, it is present along with my stool. That is in the suppose spinach, moringa leaf, and all. That means it is not correctly absorbed in the body. So what you have to do? You have to meet an Ayurveda physician and to increase your gut absorption, they will be giving some medicines. It is not for lifelong, just for a few periods. And if you're taking that, it will help to increase your absorption capacity. Okay. Then after that, what you can take this moringa leaves actually. Actually, moringa leaves is having 17 times more calcium than the milk. Okay. Then you have to take fig actually. Fig among the dried fruits, fig is having 650 mg of calcium. So it is very good. You can include it along with your breakfast and all. Okay, breakfast, snacks items and all. Then the third thing is actually tofu. You all like tofu, isn't it? That is soya. Soya bean product, soya milk. It is also containing richest amount of calcium. It is also a very good reserve amount of calcium that you can enjoy. Then the amaranthus also. it is also very good. Okay, so we have to take calcium in the correct time. Why? Because a lot of osteoporosis, osteoarthritis are seen. Especially we know if we are seeing in our home itself, we have old grandparents and all. When they are falling down, what happens? Suddenly their bone is getting breaking and all, isn't it? Because it is having calcium deficiency. So if you are suffering from calcium deficiency, please try to solve it at the earliest with the help of the food supplements, or if it is not able to withstand with the food supplements, you have to meet a doctor, have to take calcium tablets. Sometimes they will be telling you have to take any injection like that. Anyway, calcium is very important for our daily life. So please don't ignore this and share it if you find it informative. Thank you.